Guys, welcome to HardReset.Info channel. Today I have Redbeat E3 and I want to show you how to fix the problem when you have connected with internet but your game or application are not visible on your Google Play Store, as in my situation. When you have the same problem as mine, go back to the main menu of your Google Play Store, tap on your photo on the right corner and there choose settings option. In it, we tap on Family and Parental Controls. As you can see, now we have PG3. To visible game or applications Mobile Legends game, we need more than PG3. To change it, turn off it. We can turn off it or change it by tap on it and change our limit of parental controls. And we can click on maybe allow all included underrated, config by Godit and save. You can also turn off it by switch off. And that's all. We can go back and try search Mobile Legends games again, which is visible right now and we can easily install it. Thanks for watching, see you soon, bye.